how to make and create greeting video on Canva PC. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to create greeting video easy and fast in less than 1 minute. All what you have to do, go to Canva. Now click here in the top corner on create a design, click on video. Now it will take you to this page. Go here and scroll down like this until you find greeting video option. Click on see all from here. Now choose any template here, for example this one, and you can click and you can change the photos and the text and everything from here, as you can see. After you finish, click here and click download. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.